And give another tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do free parts. So the key is you want to connect the dots from the two highest points of the below part in a half circular motion, exactly like how shown. So here I'm just cleaning up the part. Next you're going to see me applying some gel and then further cleaning up the part, as I said, from the two peaks of the bottom half circles. And here you have free parts. This is exactly what it looks like, and when you complete your client's hair, this is what it looks like. Comment down below if you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.
Drop in the ocean.
It will be a beginner friendly how to pre-part. The first part is always down the middle. The next part is from the top center to the ear. This is exactly how it should look like. The second part is from the top of the ear to the center. This part is super crucial to determine whether you're going to do small, medium, large box braids, because you have to kind of have an idea of how many parts or how many rows I'm going to have below the ear. So this is what the final part looks like. Super nice, super clean, super perfect. Here's a close-up, and yeah, there you go. This is exactly how your pre-part should look like. If you have any other questions, leave them down below.